You able to see?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So let's start with the very first, our basic, which is the core of our total session, is identity. Okay. So as you say that, as you told that, okay, we will create a different branches of your company, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But why different branches? If I am a new, first I will create my, like open, I will first only one branch, right?
Yeah.
Then why it is two branches? Why it is came to your mind? Anything else? Like you have a good, what I can say, share or good amount you got from your client.
I don't know.
Uh-huh. Anything?
Nothing like that. I mean, if we see, I mean, many companies are from. I mean, there are different branches in different countries, right? So that the way I.
Yeah. So yeah, that's correct. So that my voice is equal.
Yeah.
Why is it like that? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
But my voice is
That's
hello.
clear for me actually.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, even I can hear you. There's no problem without you.
Okay. So you're correct. So we will create our branches. Okay.
Okay.
So these branches, like across the globe, right?
Yeah.
India, USA, Australia.
Yeah.
Okay. No. Okay. So three branches are there. Okay.
Yeah.
Now tell me how we can interconnect all these branches. A very basic question. How we can interconnect these branches?
Mm. You mean the structure under each country, or are we just
In both contexts, tell me how you differentiate.
mm,
in both the context? Tell me how.
I'm not sure.
Okay. So we can differentiate either by, first of all, we have to create a WAN, wide area network, okay, so that we can get all the information. Okay, they can exchange their information. Okay,
Yeah.
suppose India having the development department, USA having the sales department, and Australia having the research and development department. Okay,
Okay.
so whatever ideas is taking birth at Australia is coming into a form in India, and once product is ready, we are ready for sale. The USA
Yeah.
team taking the sales. Okay, in
Okay.
this way, we are interconnecting our three branches. But
Mhm.
if I will ask, is this an interconnection? But how we can differentiate these branches? What is the basic attribute called like we can differentiate these three branches?
I didn't got you. Sorry.
How you differentiate these three branches? Tell me. How you differentiate these three branches?
To differentiate, actually, the three branches has the three branches are completely different because one is from sales and one is from development. And
So the basic attribute called as location. On the basis of location, I am differentiating these three branches, which is a very basic attribute. But why location? Because location brings the in this country they have their own tax system, right? They
Mhm.
have their own policies, right? Employer policies,
Yeah.
right? So we can say policies. Location brings the policies, different policies, and their tax systems, their unique identifications, UIDs, you know,
Okay.
and their cost center are different because obviously they are from different country, yeah, different demographics. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, what else will be different?
Mm.
Roles also different, right?
Yeah.
Because India is having only the developments, USA having only the sales, and Australia is having the R&D. Okay.
Yeah. Different departments. Yep.
Yeah. So from here only, our the approach for Active Directory. Active Directory, you heard that, right?
Yeah.
Approach for Active Directory taken the birth. How? So whenever like Active Directory first time they have started, okay, they thought about a similar thing. कि a person is coming to the industry will bring all this information with him or her, right?
Mhm.
Now, why will not create a virtual directory which is very exact copy of the our original physical directory? Okay,
Okay.
so Active Directory has created a bucket called OU, which is equal to organizational unit.
Okay.
Okay? So every person who is storing, which is storing in the Active Directory, belongs to one OU. Okay,
Okay.
that OU may be maybe um, like from active OU called active employees. Okay, or a admin admins or HRs or a developer, tester. Okay, you can create n number of OUs or disabled, terminated. Okay,
Yeah.
you can create rescinded. Okay, or you can create rehire. Okay, n number of OUs you can create because they are the container who will tell to particular organization you have this type of employees with you, and with this employees you have to act like that. Act like that means the policies. These
Okay.
policies are like belongs, like this policies data, whatever norms are there in these policies, this policy will be reflect to this type of employees, because this type of employees are belongs to this OU. Okay,
Okay.
and why these employees belongs to this OU? Because their roles are like that. Okay, and these roles, who has decided? The people, the HR people, the HR people who has hired for this particular responsibilities.
Okay.
Now you're getting the complete picture.
Yeah, yeah, I got you. Yep.
Is it clear?
Yeah, yeah, that's clear.
Explanation speed is good, or you want to change something?
No, 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 that's fine. Yep. Thank you.
Great. This is the one part of your Active Directory. The second part, so this OU, so this OU, organizational unit, has to belong to one organization, right?
Yeah.
Because your surname is belong to your family name, right? Your whoever you have started your family, that person has given his name has a surname, right? That's why you're using that surname, right?
Yeah.
For me also, right?
Yeah.
Without them, just we are, our name is there, that's it. And we have a lot of Varun and a lot of Jayant, right, in the market.
Yeah.
So that part we called as a DC. It is called as a domain control. Domain controller. So this domain controller is saying that DC equal to give your organization name, suppose Varun X DC to go. Okay,
Okay.
this
But
will
in
be
that,
your.
like, why did you took that Varun X?
I given any name. You can give any name. You want my name and your name mix Varun Jay. Okay,
Yeah.
that fine.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
the X will be like, is a domain name or?
Anything, anything. Just I given a random name.
Okay. Okay, that's
You have
fine.
to
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
have to
that's
focus
clear.
on this. Okay? So generally, you will give the domain which is your domain, like commercial, banking, the country name, IN, you know, I do.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I given this one. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Now, once your DC is there, after that you will prepare your OU. Okay, you plan for your OU. How many? It will be there. But after that, once it is prepared, the next thing will be there. That is DN. Okay. DN is distinguish name. Okay.
Okay.
So distinguished name is nothing but a path to OU. Okay.
Okay.
Now you will give the path to OU, but every OU having their, so every OU has their name, active employees, admins, HRs, developer, tester, disabled, right?
Yeah.
That we call as a CM. common name.
Okay.
So if anybody asks you, okay, if I suppose today our employee, two employees are joining varunj.com. ठीक है?
Okay.
And sir, Jayant, Kumar. What's your full name? Varun?
Varun Reddy Vaza.
Okay, Varun Reddy.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have a two employees today. So how will be DN will be created? So DN, the writing will be DN colon N equal to Jan dot Kumar OU equal to what? Active employees, because first you are active employees. After
Okay.
that, once your role is decided, then you will move to the particular OU.
Mm-hmm.
Active employees DC equal to Varun J DC equal to com. Okay. Same will be for you also. DN equal to DN equal to Varun dot Reddy
To employee.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
is it clear till now?
Yeah. Yeah. That's clear.
Yeah. So when our IAM is not there, means our IAM tools are not present that time, so we have the Active Directory and LDAP to do this type of work. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
to create a one identity, unique identity, because this DN is a path to a particular employees belonging in a one bucket. Okay, now here if I say, so this is the case one that uh, you have created your organization on the basis of roles.
Yeah.
Okay, one more one more way is there, because you have like you are a MNC, your company spread over the demographic things. Okay, now we can differentiate over C also, countries like India equal to USA.
Okay.
Okay? So whenever any person Google about Varun Reddy from Varunja. Okay, okay. When any person is Google about your name, sorry, you know how it will search? Tell me.
Mm,
Any idea how it will search?
no.
So first it will hit the domain that is com. Company name, because many companies are there under com, right?
Yeah. I mean, we didn't give that. I mean, that com right in the search bar. So how will that hit the com?
Because Varunji is registered with com only, right? If I will just say Google, google.com is there, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Now inside Varunji, if your country wise is there, though USA, plus Varun dot. This will be
Okay.
the step.
Yeah.
But in our mind, how it will work? In a reverse fashion. If I'm
Yeah.
searching any person, it will search Varun.Reddy, active employees, USA, Varunj.com. No, it always search from the domain, then the domain inside that organization name, then how you structured your domain, okay? How you
Okay.
structured your organization, like country wise, look, country wise, role wise, department wise, okay, cost center wise, okay?
Okay.
It is clear?
Yeah.
Now the real crux has came. Okay, Active Directory is doing this uniqueness and everything. But what about like giving doing the proper auditing, time to time certification? Okay, the automation thing. Okay,
Mhm.
what about uh, like capacity, or I can say the volume of application, like how many application your industry is supposed to use in future, and how much Active Directory's capability to connect each and every application within the organization, or if you are purchasing any other application, okay, outside the organization, or any cloud application is hosted on behalf of your organization, and is it feasible? This type of question will be arise.
Yeah.
Okay. So this to break this crux, to break this problem, we introduced our word called IAM,
Mhm.
Identity and Access Management. So inside Identity Access Management, you can configure this AD.
Yeah.
Okay? AD is right now is like one of the important or mandatory application for the employees who are using the systems, right?
Okay.
Apart from that, who are not a employee, they are not using the Microsoft technology, so they are adopting the LDAP instead of AD
Actually.
to
Okay.
achieve the same thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, uh, so when IM has reach out to the market, first of all, they it differentiated a employee, like categorize the employees. Okay, employee types. We have the white collar employees. We have the employees. You ever heard about this?
No, never.
So right now you are working for an organization, right?
Mhm.
Well,
Sorry.
you are working for one organization, right?
You mean?
You're not working or working?
No, I'm not working now.
Okay. So whenever, no problem. So a person, these two both like both are the like I can't say like these people having some differentiation on the basis of their like what I can say color or something kind of thing.
Yeah,
this
yeah, got
these
it.
persons, they have categorized on the basis of tenure. Okay,
Mhm.
for
Okay,
time period, how much time they will spend in the organization. How I can
okay,
say, the white collar employees are those employees who will work inside the office,
okay,
and these people blue collar are like who will also work inside the office, but they will be from the third party.
okay.
Take a third party, or they will be work for a very short period.
Yeah, it's like a contract and full time.
Yeah, even in the white collar also contractors are there, and in the blue also contractors are there. In further session, I will differentiate. We will differentiate what are the contractors of white collar and what are the contractors of blue collars. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Now, apart from contractors, we have the vendors, we have the sponsors in the blue collar. Okay, and the contingent peoples who are working in field. Okay,
okay,
so these all are come under a blue collar, and this all and white collar who are there working inside the organization, who will who is like a, you can say like uh, they are very skill set in particular tools or a
mm-hmm.
particular they will bring the particular skill set for the organization to like in a profitable manner, you can say business profitable. Okay,
Yeah,
you're getting it.
yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Now blue collar who are they, like your security guard, your maid, your delivery boys.
Yeah,
Okay, you got it.
yeah, got it.
Now white collars again divided into a two part. FT that day I explained you,
Mm,
and second are FTC. Okay, they are vendors, sponsors. Okay,
okay,
got it. So this
yeah, I
FTC
got
and sponsors both are contractors only. Okay,
it. Okay,
suppose sponsors like ABC company is sponsoring your company. Okay, we will give you the 10 security guard for 6 months.
mm-hmm.
Okay, our vendors are saying that ki, okay, we are giving you the a person who will work for a 2 month to for the configuration of this application.
Okay,
Yeah. But this FTE and FTC, FTE are your permanent employees, full-time employee,
yeah, full time.
full-time employee, but they are temporary, but for the fixed time. Okay, maybe they are MSA, managed service, managed service application supports. They are giving. Okay, they are
Okay,
giving the managed service. Because whatever applications you have in your organization, you have hired those skilled pupils or SMEs, subject matter expert, who can handle your tools in a better fashion. Okay,
okay.
Varun, are you listening?
Yeah, yeah, I'm listening. I'm here.
Okay. Now FTC and sponsors. So you can say that, Jayant, Even contract, this fixed time contract is also like for fixed time. Okay.
Yeah.
Now FTC will come for the yearly basis. They will sign the bond actually. Three
Yeah.
years, 4 years, like in the with the project wise.
Yeah.
So they will be like a B2B, business to business. Okay. Suppose Tata company is hiring essential people. Okay.
Okay.
Or a Wipro company is hiring the SCL people. Okay.
Okay.
ठीक है, and even though like PwC is hiring the like Novartis people for some work. Okay.
Yeah.
So here company to company exchange their employees so that they will bring their own skill set, for particular tools. So that's why they're called as a fixed time contractor. Their time is fixed. They will come for 2 years, 3 years. But
Yeah.
sponsors and vendors' times are not fixed, because if today suppose Eagle Security Limited, we have hired 10 security guard. Tomorrow I will hire from some like blue light security guards. Okay. Next time I can hire from some other security guard company, because one time I saw that quality is not suited. Second
Mm.
time some issue has come with policies. Okay. Third time some issue has come in. So I am constantly changing the sponsors
Yeah.
according to their tenders. Even vendor also, like whatever application they are bringing. Suppose swipe machine. Okay, matrix swap machine is added to my company.
Mm.
Now these vendors are not properly setting. Our people getting trouble by swiping on that. Our data is not properly publishing. So I'm changing this vendor people, right?
Yeah.
And okay, suppose if I'm not changing also, I can't make stay them for long time, right? Vendor people will come for 1 week, they will fit the machine, they will test and they will go. But for
Mm.
1 week only, I have to create the access, right?
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah. Even for maid, organize. If suppose if you as a CEO, if you make a opening for maid, senior maid, see how it will look funny, right?
Yeah.
You have to interview. Ki, what's your skill set? Tell me. Are you washing your dish properly? What is the framework you are using for washing the dishes, right?
Yeah.
So you can't do anything. You just like open the tender. Ki we want it made, and these are the norms. That's it, right?
Okay. Yeah.
But coming to the FT and FTC, you have to make the proper opening, right?
Mhm.
Ki we have the part-time job, freelance job, or a MSA job, okay, support job, permanent job for this location, for this particular tool, for this particular experiences, है ना?
Okay.
With the proper role and responsibility.
Yeah.
So that's how, when if anybody asks you how you set up your organization, this will be your answer.
Okay.
First, I will categorize my employee type. According to employee type, I will create the departments. ठीक है? According to departments, I will create a designation. According to designation, I will create the role and responsibilities.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that's how you will structure your company.
Yeah.
That give you the clear picture. Okay, this is my blueprint. Now I have to create a departmental or designation wise policies, and according to policies I have to create some uh, like by quarterly or yearly basis certifications, so that you can constantly audit your uh, employees access, so that they you will get to know that, okay, either they are overprivileged or underprivileged,
Yeah.
or you will catch the mole, okay, these are the loophole in my company. I have to remove those pupils, I have to remove those policies, I have to remove this access from particular employee. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever access you will give, whatever access you're doing that particular terminology we will say in our IM world, that's called as entitlement.
Entitlements. Yeah.
Good. Great. Very quick learner, man.
Yeah, actually, I know a bit about that. So,
Good. So tell me, like entitlement in generic manner, how you know that entitlement? From where you know that entitlement?
actually, my brother works for, I mean, on this same technology, so he uses these words.
Okay, your brother is elder or younger?
Sorry, I can't hear.
Your brother is younger or elder?
He's elder, yeah.
Elder. Okay. So this entitlement word is came from our life only. Okay.
Mhm.
So when your brother got like came to the project Earth, okay. Now after that you have came, okay.
Yeah,
So when your brother is alone, that time your brother is not a brother. Your brother is just like a son, okay.
yeah, yeah,
Now when you have came, he entitled with two roles. One
yeah,
is son and second is elder son.
brother. Yeah,
Okay, and elder brother here. That's all. So that's how entitlement word is coined to to label any person with some certain role and responsibility. We will abbreviate those all thing into a single word that is called as entitlement.
oh, yeah,
Okay,
okay. Yeah,
so we are entitling means we are titling because we are giving title with some and with some role and responsibility. That's why we have added en, entitlement.
yeah, okay.
Now you got full picture.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks for the example.
So entitlement comprises all the rights, all the roles, and all the responsibility according to their location, according to their designation, according to their department, or according to their cost center.
Yeah,
Okay. Now, now your brother is elder, so responsibility is good. You are the younger means you are loving. That's total thing, right?
yeah,
Some more loving come to your part, but some strictness will go to the elder brother, right? Now, elder brother is there. The elder brother will be like a shelter, will be like a roof to you. Ki hey,
yeah.
you beat my person, I will beat you.
Yeah,
He will beat one, I will beat you too. Okay,
it's a protection.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah. Now, as a younger brother, also you have also some role and responsibility. You have to learn everything from your elder brother. Ki what are the tough times? How to settle down into a like how to make adaptability. How do you create a adaptable nature? You know, you
yeah.
have to learn that ki how you have to be strong. You know,
Mhm.
you will behave how your elder brother will behave. You know,
Yeah,
because you have a always you have a one excuse. Hey, my brother is doing that, why I'm not doing that?
yeah,
Yes. So
yeah,
that's how I am also work. Okay. If any employees were coming here, how you will entitle that particular person? Ki you have this access.
mhm.
That word it's itself called as entitlement. Entitled.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Now within the IAM world, within the SailPoint IAM world, they have created one more thing that is called as capabilities.
Okay.
Now these capabilities and these entitlements are brother only. Okay,
Mm.
head to head brothers. They are having, they are sharing common properties. But this entitlement is for the outside the IAM. Whatever application is coming towards IAM, so that access part called as entitlement. And within the IAM boundary, within the SailPoint boundary, whatever access you will give, that is called as capabilities.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Because if whatever explanation I have given to you in our real world, that is called as capability only, right?
Yeah. Yeah. That's right.
Right.
Yeah.
Now in the inside the capabilities, We have very granular level, very lowest level thing is called as SP rights. ठीक है? SailPoint rights, or I can say rights, just rights.
Okay.
But since you're learning the SailPoint, that's why they have added SP as a prefix.
Okay. Yeah.
ठीक है? So these rights are like a predefined roles within the SailPoint, like system administrator, task administrator, or task viewer, identity viewer, quick link viewer, okay, full access administrator, okay.
Okay.
So this mixing of rights is called as capabilities.
Okay.
ठीक है? तो we can say, so the group of aspirate called as capabilities, and these capabilities are for the within this SailPoint boundary.
Yeah.
And whatever application, suppose Active Directory, any HR application, or any business application, are you going to integrate with SailPoint, whatever access they will give, that access called as an entitlement.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. Good.
So we will stop here because I think this is very enough for today, you know, as a starter,
Yeah.
right, Guru?
Yeah. Yeah.
So any doubt, any question?
Nothing.